So in this use case, I'm going to show you how we can use SbPAM in order to be able to enable an account on a Linux host, log the user in automatically, and then also record what that user is doing. So what the user does is if they're going to do it for the UI, then they simply select create session. In this case, we're going to select an activity that's called root access. This is now provisioning, an account on that local system based upon the user's SAM account name and the domain. Because the access policy has given them access to the password in case they need it, for sudo. If we don't have a no password option set, against a line, then we allow the user to be able to copy and also copy the password in this case, or we can actually log the user directly onto the endpoint. So in this case, what we've done is we'll see that we're able to log the user in, and the user is able to do whatever they would normally do, within that session. Now, the nice thing is we are recording all of this information. So this also means that, when the user has, finished what they're doing, we can actually look back and see, a recording of what happened. And the nice thing about this particular case is we also record in full color. So what we'll see if we go forward a little bit, you'll see here's that SSH session that we've just run here. And we also support not only the ability to access systems via local accounts on Linux, but we can also use Active Directory accounts, so you can use the AD bridge functionality. And we also have a capability of execing commands. So you might want to do, in this case, let's say, for example, the account has been added to a group that gives them root access through sudoers, then we have the ability to be able to do like a sudo su, within this particular use case.